guys, Zombie Killer 101 vlogs and Pokemon here, and today we're making cookies. Now I already got step 1 done. Got 2. So yeah, we're continuing.
Yeah guys, so anyways, hi.
Trigger. Alright, so we gotta do another one.
Gav, look at Gav's cookie.
Be right back.
His cookies.
Alright, so there we go. Wait, this is supposed to be a polar bear? I'm a bunny rabbit.
Well, we're working.
Polar bear.
Go away. Go away.
Working on it.
Oh,
You're
you
right,
said
but I eat you because I'm a
Keep
polar bear.
making some ears.
I'm
here,
a polar bear.
Yeah.
Are we using all the cookies?
Yep.
Well, I want
I'm on 50. Who wants to play 52 pickup?
No.
not me.
I get the rest
We're
of
making
these.
polar bears.
Idiot. We're making polar bears.
Me
idiot.
too.
Oh.
We gotta dip them all in the
Where's
chocolate.
mine too?
Be right back, guys.
Get
All right,
your ears
so
on over there,
I
Gav.
There's going
No, your ears on the cookie. See? You mush them in.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. There's so much M&Ms.
Now, I gotta figure out how to melt some chocolate here, people.
Go away. Go away. Yo.
Use the microwave, but
Clean one.
oh man, how do we do it?
Guys, show me if these are ready because I don't know. Because Gavin saying,
Gav's cookies.
because Gavin,
He broke his apart. Oh, he had a really good one. He had the top off and a bunch of M&Ms on it.
he ate it. He ate
And
it.
I said, "Get your ears on, Gav." And he goes,
he goes like,
"Yeah."
Do it. Do it.
Melt. Oh, here we go.
I know.
Melt 2 cups of Nursel's electric stir.
no,
Stir.
nope.
Oh, there's a milk
Stir. Oh, don't eat the
I'm gonna
cookies,
eat this
Papa. He's taking your cookie over
Hey.
there. We're going to use a
After
bowl
bake-
in the microwave.
No.
Ah. Dip.
A regular bowl.
I can't. Guys,
Do a couple
did you
of-
ever have M&M and iced tea?
Well, we need that. Do a half a bag at a time.
What are you doing?
We want to try to like so we gotta dip them.
I was gonna take one out of the bowl because there's so much.
Oh, dear,
Hey,
what?
Gav, you want to taste the white chocolate chipper?
Sorry if it's so blurry. It's white.
His underwear on backwards again.
They're supposed to be
Oh,
black. I'm not being racist there.
The backwards boy.
No!
I'm bending.
I'm an IQ.
Eat me!
No!
Yeah, I don't. The scissors are not in the drawer over there.
I'm going to make an eye.
Corey and Danielle, where they're at. Did your dad do any art projects yesterday?
No. Trying to do everything.
Where's the white chocolate chips?
No one cares!
Why we in the bag?
So, we gotta melt ours? We gotta melt it!
This is as good as the chocolate chips.
They're making a mess now.
It's vanilla.
I'm making the mess, Gav.
They're making a horrible mess.
Yeah, we see you're not making your cookies over there.
Oh,
Yeah, with the fork.
Alright, it's a tutorial.
hey guys.
Go on.
Nice.
Get out of here, you always mess up my videos. Ew! Ew! Put it in your mouth. It's what I hate about him. Ouch! He tries to be funny, but he's not.
Guys, did you ever try white chocolate chips? They're yummy by them.
Go wash your hands.
No.
Do
Let me
it.
eat this right now.
Do it.
You triple dare me to eat it, Nana?
Don't eat your polar bears.
Got it.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
It's coming at you guys. Joe.
Uh-oh.
There it goes. It's coming at you. Dang it. Come here.
It's coming at you. Touch.
It's not even within the camera.
Melting the chocolate slowly.
Why are you killing the chocolate? It's coming at you guys. It's coming at you. Damn it. Dang it.
Hey, can you triple dare me to eat my polar bear?
Oh,
Triple dare me?
no.
Nana, do you triple dare me to eat this?
It's coming at you.
No, don't eat your polar bears.
Thanks for
You
triple
gotta
daring
dip
me.
them.
What?
Gotta get dipped in the white chocolate.
Alright, sorry guys.
I eat white chocolate.
Oh, racist!
Ow.
Why can't we make a brown bear? Why can't we make a brown bear?
Because we're making polar bears.
What the frick? What the frick?
It's Aaron. We're coming at you guys.
What the heck is this thing?
Right. Those are for the nose.
Ew, nosy. Boba Fett.
Boba Fett.
Oh, we're coming along.
Boba Fett.
My brother's playing that.
Hey.
Say hi,
Hey. Ben.
Gabby. Say hi,
Hey, Ben.
Gabby.
Say hi, guys.
Take that really bright.
There we go.
No, it's really dark. Really bright. Really dark. Triggered! Triggered!
How the heck have we got this?
That's disgusting, Connor.
That's nice looking.
I'm going to take a break from filming. Be right back.
Bye.
She's killing the M&M. I mean, chocolate chips. Bye.
In the chocolate.
All right, so that's what we're dipping him in.
And you gotta
It's a tutorial.
get the excess off.
Ew, it's jangling.
Okay, and then we put them down here to dry.
Okay.
See that thing? That's called a cupcake.
That's not.
That is.
Okay, who wants to try to dip a cookie?
Me.
All right, get your cookie in there. Okay, we'll go one at a time, and then you're next. Okay. Let AJ do it.
Drop the base. All right, cover that up. Cover it up. Cover it up.
Cover the polar bear up.
Connor.
Oh, he's drying.
That's good though.
There's only a little spot left. What are you doing to
We
the?
gotta bring it back out and let the excess chocolate drip off. I don't have a pan, so bang on the side of the pan.
My
Little.
turn.
You put your cookie in.
Ooh.
Can I try like dumping the thing?
Yeah, next row.
Yeah. What about Gavin's? I'm going to dip.
Bury it. Bring it back up slowly, and you let the chocolate drip off.
See it? See it? See it? See it? See
Not
it?
Tammy. Next, can I?
Side.
What the hell are you making?
I forgot the black icing for the little eyes, but we'll try to use mini M&Ms for the eyes.
What'd you just throw at me?
Quick, throw it.
Go pick it up.
No.
I'm gonna throw it at you too.
All right. Oh, we're gonna put one of mine in.
Go pick it up.
My toy.
No.
My
I
toy.
don't want food laying around. Pick
Alright.
it up. Yeah, let me get you.
Alright, so I'm back, guys.
It ain't a scratch, is it? I don't know.
Warm it up a bit. Oh,
No.
You gotta move it around. Move it
Might have
around!
been a piece of scab. Skin. I don't know.
That's it, I don't know.
What about the other side of the polar bear?
We don't have to worry about it because it's dipped.
Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. It's the ear.
Look up, let me see.
Dupa.
Yeah, you
Slowly let it trip. No!
Sorry.
Oh, you okay?
Oh, you're bad at that.
Wait.
Tammy.
Because it's with
Hang
the
on.
fork.
Oh, what?
I told him you got to scratch it. Ow!
Okay, slowly bring him
Here we
over
go.
now. Move this thing back.
No, wrong one.
That's fine, wherever.
Melt some more.
Green, there you go.
Got him off.
Good
Where's
job.
his ears? As long as we can see his ears, we're good.
What is it? Oh, it's your girlfriend. Give her a kiss.
Okay, see his ears down there.
Do we each
cute,
get two
kid.
turns?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blue.
Okay,
Which
AJ, you
one's
got
the
yours
blue
in
one? Now
there?
wait for it and pick the blue one. No, you gotta pick the right egg.
Go, AJ!
Oh, it's my turn.
Blue.
Drop the
There you
base.
go.
Hold on. Drop the base.
A bunny.
I have to
Give
Bye,
it
guys.
to
more goo here.